Hey everybody, Double P here and welcome back. So today is Wednesday, October the 20th, 2021. And in today's trade, you can see it right here. Let me first go over this right here. So we are live trading October 20th, 11 p.m. I'm already done trading. You see my margin account right here. I got to blur out my data here just to so I don't violate my terms and services of my brokerage account. And again, we'll go over here so that everyone sees it here. Everything is in real time. So let me click on that there so that you see it. So stock is in real time. I got Amex, New York Stock Exchange, and NASDAQ. It's all real time feeds I'm getting. Equity options, real-time feed, futures and futures options, I don't trade them, so I don't understand them, so I just leave it alone. I don't need the feeds for it. Then we got Forex is in real time and others in real time, so it's a full live account, full live trading. That's the only way to do it. And then, so today's trade is CAN. So you can see it right here. And you see how much it's taking off. So let's kind of go over this. This is a stock that was on my watch list, and if you haven't seen my watch list before, I've showed it in previous videos. So this one took off. So what did we do? What do we always do? Well, first thing we do is I did draw out the box, so let me go over here and draw the box out for, actually I'm not going to draw the box this time. Where did we open up here? 9:30 opened, 7:50, so roughly around this area right here. Let me just draw this box real time for you. The close was roughly right around here. That was the box. So let me shrink this down. Excuse me there, I'm got a little tickle in my throat there. So let's see here. From this point, where were we? 6. Actually, that's not correct. Let me do this way. Let me do this the proper way so you see what I'm doing. Today. So let's go 5-minute chart. So let's do this properly. And I'm going to be real quick about this so that you see it. So 3 o'clock, right roughly around here. This was the high. This was the low. I'm doing a 5-minute chart. I'm just doing this really quickly. Where was the close? Is that 4 was 7:39. So that was the close. Let me expand this for you. Now I'm going to draw the box. So from here down to the low, now we can draw the box. So I'm doing this properly so that you don't want to get sloppy. When you're a trader, don't be sloppy. Go through your process, go through the mechanics, make sure you have the formula set down, make sure you have your steps set down so you know exactly what to do when you're doing your trade. I was going to get a little bit sloppy there and just kind of eyeball it out, but then I said to myself, I got to teach you guys to be effective, efficient, deadly intraday momentum option scalper traders, right? So this is what you got to do, right? You got to follow what I'm doing, right? Don't listen to what I'm saying, follow what I'm doing, right? So that's that. So let's come back over here and get my price tool. So that's where it opened up. So the box opened up just above the box. Fantastic. We ripped. What else did I do? I put in Fibonacci retracements, and I also had Fibonacci extensions because I wanted to see exactly where I would hit. And We use these levels. I use these levels to map out. This was my profit zone, right? This was my profit zone right here to take double and triple gain profits, right? So let's move over to the split screen so that you see it here. So I got the option on this side right here. It's $10 strike. And I mapped everything out here to where I'm going to take profit. This was my entry, roughly around 48 to 49. And this was my max profit that I'm going to be looking at taking, right? And as you see here, we ripped well past my max profit, which was 77 cents, right? So you see all this up here, this was profit taking, right? So we got Fibonacci extensions and Fibonacci retracements all mapped out on this particular chart. This stock now is cooking 15%, right? And it's gonna rip. Right now it's going down, but we don't care because we're already in and we're already out. So let me come back over here so that you can see what's the first thing I want to show you is when I took my profit, I set my alert for greater than 65%, right? And you see right here at 68%. And then you see we hit a high of 64 cents when I was looking at taking my profit at 10.40. I took that screenshot there, and you see exactly what was happening with the stock. It was just ripping all the way up, right? You see Fibonacci extensions here. You see Fibonacci retracements. This is how we set up our trades, right? And then we set it up for profit taking. I'm not so much looking at my stop loss. I got a stop loss, right? I don't do automatic stop losses. I do manual stop losses, and I drop down 10% or 8% above my entry point. So that's going to give me my stop loss, which is probably roughly right around this area right here. It never hit it. It blew past it. So I wasn't worried about it. So that was that chart that I wanted to show you there, because I wanted to show you as it was moving up. I wanted to take it a real-time screenshot so that you see it. So now you're seeing the finished product. We're still live in real time as I've done the trades. So what else did I want to show you here? Let me show you my order fill. So you see here, I bought 200 contracts, 48 cents, exited out at 65 cents. This trade for me was approximately 30 minutes. 30 minutes in a trade or 32 minutes in a trade, right? So you'll see here, let me come back over here. So 1013, 1044. So let's go to 1013 so that you see it here. 1013, right here. This was my entry on the 23.6 level retracement. And 1044. So roughly 1044, this is when I got out. So look at that rip, right? That's what you want. This is on a 1 minute, so let's go on to 5 minutes so you can see how clean this setup was. So we go to 1013, roughly right around here. This candle right here, see this sell side activity candle? We know it's gonna drop. We know here's the retracement. Here's the bounce off the 38.2. Oh, it's always golden off the 38.2. You know right there when it hits that and it bounces, you know it's going to be a rip, right? So right from here, 1044. So that's where I got out, right? So look at that rip right there. That's what you want. That's a 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 candle movement. Right? So 33 minute movement trade right there, in and out, done. Let's come back over here so that you see what's going on and what I need to show you. So here's the text alert that I sent out. I always tell my guys, I give them enough leeway that they know that this is, I told them to take 50 contracts because of for the sale. So here's it is. It's a momentum trade. It's November 19th, 2021's canned $10 strike calls, 49 cents. I told them to take 40% profit. Their stop loss was a tight 12%. They never even had to look at the 12% stop loss, and the stock just ripped. And I text them later on, 10:44, when I told them I hit my 48% profit. I blew well past 48% profit, and I'm in and out of that trade, right? So that was the real-time text alert that I sent over to my members. And then last but not least, you want to see my profit for today. My profit for today is $3,400. Not bad on a less than a 35-minute trade for pennies on the dollar, right? That's why you need to load up. If the options are like less than 50 cents, 30 cents, 50 cents, 49 cents, 60 cents, 75 cents tops, you want to load up, right? So you see that right there. Everything's done. Plus 159.26%. That's how that call option moved today very nicely. So we can come over here and we can see it in the trades. The $10 strike right there, $10 strike November 19th. You see it right there. Plus 125, plus 129%. Look at the volume, look at the open contract. This is what you call liquidity. Look at the theta burn is 0.2 minus 0.2. This is why I took this trade. Look at the implied volatility, 121.4%. This thing just ripped. I bought the volatility. I didn't want to sell this volatility because I knew the stock was going to be shooting up, right? So why would I want to sell a call and sell all that volatility to collect that premium? Because the stock's moving up. If the stock's moving up, I mean, you're going to be, it's not a good thing for you with that premium. So I wanted to buy the volatility, right? That's what you want to do. You want to buy volatility when you got that much implied volatility cooking for you. You want to make sure you get it, right? So right there, that was a killer trade. So if you like this information, you like the way I'm day trading, intraday trading. I'm an intraday momentum options scalper. We're in and out of the market. You've seen the rest of the videos that I have on this channel. This is real time. This is what we do every day. Do we have red days? Yeah, I took a red day. After about probably 20 profitable trades, I had one red day. Why did I have that red day? Because I didn't follow my rules. My rules are automated. My rules are emotionless. My rules are quant driven. Everything is mapped out. This is all analytical. This is all quant, right? You can't beat this. You can't deny this, right? You map it out. You look at it and you take your profit and your loss based on your quant driven system. This is what I have. If you'd like to learn this system, I mean, I'm giving this away free on YouTube because I said that's what I'm going to do. But look, behind closed doors, I mean, there's weekly coaching. There's the real-time text alerts. That's the gravy right there. The real-time coaching, the live text alerts. Where else you going to get live text alerts? Where else out of thousands and thousands and thousands of stocks, what are you going to know to trade every day profitably? 9 times out of 10 or 8 times out of 10. Right here, right? I'm giving it to you. I will give it to you. I give it to my members. My members are super happy. More importantly, they're super profitable, right? Because they're following my lead. If you like this information, somewhere above, somewhere below, somewhere to the left or somewhere to the right, there's a link to my site. Head on over to the site. Like you to get subscribed, like you to be part of the membership. This is a lifetime thing for me, right? I've been doing this for a couple of years now with my product. I've been trading all my life. With my product, it's been out for almost 2 years now, right? And our members are super stoked. If you want to be part of our community where you get real-time text alerts, obviously you have to pay for them, but look at what you're getting, right? Coaching calls, weekly coaching calls. You will get the monthly mastermind webinars as well. And you'll get me live in real time to answer questions for you all the time, every day. Full help support desk. That's all I got for you. Please smash that like button. Share this video. Please let your other friends know that are traders, intraday traders, day traders, swing traders, investors. Let them know I can help them. Let them know that you want to help them. I mean, you want to be profitable, right? You want to know what's going on in the markets, right? You want to know what stocks to pick, right? You can do it all. We can do it all with the Platinum Traders Beta Testers group. I'd love to see you on board. My name is Double P. I'll see you in the next video. Take care, everybody. Over and out.